If you want to use voice typing on POCO C85, what you can do is you can go to settings, scroll down in here and then open additional settings. Then we're gonna go to languages and input. And then over here, let's just go to manage keyboards and then choose a Gboard because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Now over here we have a voice typing, which of course can be enabled or disabled. So if you want to use it, naturally you want to make sure that it is on. Now we can open our keyboard, and if you do so, on the right side you should be able to find this microphone. We can tap on it, and for the first time we will have to, of course, grant permission. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. Sometimes when you end a sentence, the voice typing is deactivated automatically, but in some cases you have to tap on this button again in order to make it stop listening. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.